Guys, have you ever wondered why your transparent case, that is your soft silicon TPU case, which you put on your mobile phone, that turns yellowish after some time? So this is what we are going to discuss in this video, guys, and let's see why this happens. Guys, you might have bought cases like this transparent case. Now right now it is in its good shape, it's quite transparent, but after some time such cases, they become yellowish after usage. So why this happen, guys? Let's try to find out. Well guys, the most primary reason why these cases they turn yellowish is due to sunlight. You heard that right, it is due to sunlight. Sunlight is the primary reason, guys, that's because of which your transparent silicon cases they become yellowish. Now this happens because due to the ultraviolet radiations which are present in the sunlight, they react with the material of this transparent case. Now the material, guys, of which this transparent case is made is normally silicon, because they used most of the cases they use silicon because of its properties, because silicon, with the help of silicon, they are able to make these cases flexible, transparent, and they can put them in a desired shape. So when your ultraviolet radiation which is present in the sunlight, guys, it reacts with the silicon, which is a polymer, that turns that silicon into a yellowish color. And this doesn't happen in a single day, guys. As you keep on using the case in sunlight, due to this reaction, the case turns yellowish day by day. So the primary reason for this is ultraviolet radiations which are present in the sunlight. And another reason, guys, due to which these cases they turn yellowish is due to the heat which is produced in your mobile phones. Yes, because when you are using your mobile phones, like you are playing games or you are doing other stuff, and the case is there on your mobile phone, the heat gets trapped in the mobile phone, and that causes the temperature of your mobile phone to rise. Now when that temperature rises, guys, again that oxidation process happens. The heat which is trapped in your mobile phone, that reacts with the material of that TPU case, which is silicon, causing it to turn yellowish. But guys, believe me, the primary factor is only sunlight. The ultraviolet radiations, they cause more yellowishness as compared to that heat which is generated due to usage of your mobile phone while you are playing games or doing other stuff. So main reason is ultraviolet rays, guys, that is sunlight. Second reason is due to the heat which is produced in your mobile phone while you're using the mobile phone, and some minor factors are there, like due to the normal wear and tear of that case while you are using the case over the time, and also maybe due to you can say that sometimes we are using our phone with dirty hands. Dust gets accumulated on your this cover of your mobile phone. So all these factors, guys, they contribute to the fact that the transparent case, which looks beautiful in the early days, that turns yellowish after some months, right? So guys, do remember that this yellowishness, it cannot be restored back. If you think that you can restore that, you can change that yellowishness of the case and restore your original color of the case, it never happens, guys, because the color which has changed due to oxidation, it cannot be restored. I myself, guys, I have tried that. I have a number of cases like this. I tried washing the case, I tried cleaning the case by toothpaste, I tried cleaning the case with baking soda, but guys, nothing works. The only remedy left is that you have to buy a new case. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope that you have liked the information. If you do, kindly hit that subscribe button and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And guys, also please remember to share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you so very much, guys, for taking your time out and watching this Bhanot Talks video. And as usual, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.